Fun fact. Number 4.
Yay!
Hummingbirds are the only birds capable of flying backward. Their unique wing structure allows them to rotate their wings in a figure-8 pattern, which enables them to hover, fly forward, backward, and even upside down with remarkable agility. They are also the smallest birds on Earth. Bee hummingbird holds the title for being the smallest bird species. Found in Cuba, the bee hummingbird measures around 2 to 2.4 inches, 5.1 to 6.1 centimeters in length, and weighs just a fraction of an ounce, about 1.6 to 2 grams. This is it. Thanks for watching.